How to fix Facebook dating not showing up. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to fix Facebook dating not showing up. First, open or launch any browser on your mobile device. From there, search for Facebook dating eligibility. In the search results, tap on the top result. This will take you to the Facebook mobile app Help Center, where you will find all the requirements needed to access Facebook dating. As shown here, to use Facebook dating, you must be at least 18 years old, have a Facebook account in good standing that is at least 30 days old, live in a country where dating is available. You will also see a full list of countries where Facebook dating is supported. Check if your country is listed. If it isn't, that may be the reason why Facebook dating is missing from your account. Facebook also notes that they may restrict which accounts can access dating. If you can't access or no longer have access to dating, it might be because you aren't 18 or older, your account is new or inactive, you violated Facebook's terms of service, community standards, or other policies. If you meet all the requirements and your account still qualifies, but the dating feature is missing, you should visit the Facebook Help Center and report the issue to their support team. Clearly explain your situation and submit your report. Give them some time and they will respond with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to fix Facebook dating not showing up.